These days we have clients coming into our shop asking to get a tune-up. Now, maybe 20 or 30 years ago, a tune-up truly was tuning up the car. You might adjust some points, you might gap a spark plug, you might turn a screw on the carburetor and ultimately make the car run better. Fast forward to today, we have electronic fuel injection, we have hybrid vehicles. Most of that tuning up is handled through your car's computer, and the components are lasting a long time, so we're not in there adjusting them anymore. What I will put in place of a tune-up, I'm going to change that word to a service. So your car needs to be serviced. This is just regular maintenance. You might come in about every 6 months or every 5,000 miles for Japanese-made vehicles. We look at the tires, we look at the brakes, we do the oil change. We'll rotate the tires from front to back for you. We'll check all of the lights, and then we'll go on a road test. Are we hearing any funny noises? Is the vehicle pulling left or right? When we step on the brake pedal, is the car vibrating? We check these items as part of your service or tune-up.